Here's how to use AI to build high quality image for your e-commerce brand 10 times faster. A live example of me building a image for a brand. If you run an e-commerce brand, this will save you hours every week. AI won't replace your marketing team or your brain, but it will make it take 80% of your work off your plate. You have a lot of work on your plate as a business owner. I know. Research, idea generation, subject lines, preview text, headline, everything. AI can give you a solid first draft in minutes. You still need to bring the strategy, the voice, and the building, but you will no longer starting from scratch. And if you're building every email manually, you are wasting time that could be spent testing, sending, and making more revenue. You as the banner already have a lot of break. So imagine getting multiple hours of work done in 1 hour. You can use AI for different things like research, ideation, writing copy, designing hero images. Let's start by research. Start by feeding the AI everything you get gathered during your research. This includes your product details, customer reviews, competitor positioning, and unique selling points of your brand or specific products also. You can ask AI to expand on that information, uncover specific pain points, highlight key features of your competitors, or even suggest make messaging angles. Once you have the research, use ChatGPT to help shape your ideas. You give it a rough thought and it helps you refine it. It gives feedback, different angles, and helps you turn a single line into a full fledged email idea. Writing copy. Now take that refined idea and add your own insight, angle, tone. Tell ChatGPT to generate 10 subject lines, preview tests, hidden options, etc. Then pick the best one that match your voice and improve on that with your brain. And designing the hero image. You can also generate a hero image for your email using AI, which I will show a live example of. That said, I don't recommend generating image from scratch. Instead, provide the AI with the image and use it to transform or improve that image. That's what I did for with the example. Wait for that. We'll also need to add the headline, call to action, and design elements of yourself to the image. So here's the process step by step. Start with ideation, write the copy, create or enhance the hero image, assemble everything in Figma. Here's a live example with ChatGPT, full chat and full email in Figma. Here I started by giving it a rough image from the website and told it to turn it into a image that can be used in Figma for hero section. This is something I recommend also to tell it to leave 60% negative space in the upper part of the photo. So you can add headline, sub headline, CTS, etc. here. Then I give it a short summary of their about section of their website, and it gives me multiple options for the copy of the section, brief section for their welcome email. I'm building a welcome email here. I tell it to make it more personal yet luxury. I tell it to remove some part and add some part, make it shorter, add specific USPs of the brand, and this is what it gave me in the end. And this is really good, I will say. Then it also give me to this image, which I also updated. I gave it this image of the founders. I told it to add the image of the founders and use this specific font, which is their brand font, which I did not like their founder, the way it added their founder image. So I cropped this till here and added the original image. Let me show you the email. So here's the email that I generated with AI. So we have the logo here, obviously. We have the offer, which are supposed to deliver as soon as they open the welcome email. A big CTA button. Now this image is generated by AI, as I show you. This part of the section is generated with the AI. I did not like how the AI added the founder's picture in the end, so I cropped it till here and added the founder's image manually with the big button. We have just some four social proof for trust building with a big button, USPs and category. This is the picture that I turned into this hero image. For now, if you see, this is a high quality email, and half of this is generated with the help of AI. which help me cut down my time a lot while making this. For these reviews, if you see reviews, these reviews were taken from a specific product reviews. I copied around 20 to 30 reviews into ChatGPT and told it to give me reviews that focus on overall brand rather than that specific product, which helped me save a lot of time. Or I would have to go through all of those 30 reviews manually. If you see here, this is the section I'm talking about reviews. I gave this all of those reviews, and these are 5 to 6 reviews that he gave me, and I choose around 3 to 4 from them. Now that you see, you can build a high converting email with the help of AI so much faster, and that's how you create high converting emails 10 times faster with AI. And also, if you want to add 25 to 40% more revenue on top of your current revenue without paid ads or margin killing discounts while increasing your LTV, book a call with me where I will also provide you with an in-depth audit for your email strategy. Doesn't matter if you're just starting out or you have a bit of email marketing already set up. Book a call with me. See you on the call from the link in description. See you on the call.